Hello again, this is Dr. Anthony Rakovic, Euclid Chiropractic Clinic in Upland. What we talked about this week is diabetes, and from wellness doctor's perspective, how do we approach that? Diabetes is a condition to where the blood glucose or blood sugar levels stay too high in a chronic situation between a period of, say, 3 to 4 months at least minimum. When that happens, your body is unable to break down that sugar for some reason. What breaks down sugar normally is insulin produced from the pancreas. That insulin allows your cells, maybe your muscles or your liver, to absorb sugar to store it for a later date. The problem is in a diabetic patient, that does not occur. And what happens is those organs, maybe muscle or liver, what's called become insulin resistant, where they no longer absorb the actual sugar like it should normally. Wellness doctor look is not what's causing or trying to bring the sugar back into the body like the medical approach would be, but their goal is to really see what's causing the body to cause the overall change. What I mean by that is that your body goes into what's called a fight or flight mode. When that occurs, your hormone levels change. What I mean is that your serotonin levels, which are a good hormone per se, and also your stress hormones, which is catecholamines and cortisol, they start becoming imbalanced. The stress hormones start increasing, and that'll naturally cause insulin resistance to where your body wants to put more sugar inside the bloodstream as a high energy source to, if you want to call it, get away from the lion. What happens with serotonin in the reverse sense becomes less of a concentration in your body. When that occurs, medically what they want to do is have an artificial sense of insulin in your body to help absorb that overall blood sugar that you're either ingesting or inside the blood itself too, back in the body. The problem was because you have continued insulin resistance, your body can cause obesity, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, even osteoporosis too. From that, obviously people are given medication for those conditions, and then that can lead into also heart disease and cancers. So realize this is kind of a cascading effect or domino effect, like put in the blog, to where one drug for diabetes, insulin, becomes more and more drugs and more side effects, causing more conditions in the actual patient or person. I realize too, when you give someone serotonin maybe to balance things out from a hormone level, serotonin is used more of a, if you want to call it psychosis, to where it has a high addiction rate also too. Because realize you're giving your body something that it wants to feel better, it continues to want to feel better more and more and more. Okay? The last part we talked about is really how the wellness doctor approaches and hopes to resolve diabetes is looking at the person's lifestyle. What's causing those stressors in life? Is it their diet? Is there anything junk food every day? Anything soda every day? It's something that they could cut things out. And also too, the attitude of that. And realizing when your food does matter what you eat, how much exercise, and a sense of well-being to stay healthy, you want to change some of those things. So once you get diabetes, realize that's one condition that can lead to very, very high amounts of other conditions, leading to more medication also too. The one testimony we talked about this week is from Jessica, one I'd done a while back, but I kind of twist a little bit too, to where it talks about how her lifestyle changed from thinking about exercise somewhat and maybe going to the gym once in a while to make it more of a habit almost daily for her to start doing events such as 5Ks, 10Ks, the local event here, the long bike ride up to Tour de Foothills. For one too, from someone that didn't work out well before to something like that. Okay, just want to make sure you understand that diabetes, like other conditions out there too, when you find the right doctor, what I see is someone that wants to get your whole body and help change your lifestyle so you get healthier, not rely on medications to, if you want to call it, bring your sugar down in your blood, but not treat your whole body, even have side effects from that too. Okay. Again, realize Euclid Chiropractic Clinic is your whole body health center. We want to help restore health through diet, through nutrition, which is part of it too, and also exercise, along with keeping your nervous system healthy through your spine. So enjoy Health from Inside Out. Have a great weekend.